Subordinating conjunctions are words that connect a dependent clause to a main clause in a sentence. They help show the relationship between ideas. Words like although, because, if, and unless are subordinating conjunctions. These words introduce conditions, reasons, or contrasts, linking one part of the sentence to another. Unless is a subordinating conjunction used to show a negative condition. It means something will not happen except if a specific condition is met. It is like saying if not. For example, I will not go to the party unless you come with me means I will go only if you come with me. We use unless to introduce a condition that must be true for something not to happen. For example, I will not leave unless you want me to means I will stay if you do not want me to leave. Unless can be placed at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence, but if it starts the sentence, a comma is used after the clause. Here are more examples of unless. You cannot enter unless you have a ticket means you need a ticket to enter. I will call you unless I am too busy means I will call you only if I am not too busy. Using unless this way clearly shows the negative condition required. Sentences with unless have two common structures. One is main clause followed by unless and the condition. For example, I will go unless it rains. The other puts unless at the beginning followed by the condition and then the main clause. Both structures express that the main action depends on the condition not happening. Here are examples of sentence structures using unless. In main plus unless form, I won't go unless you come. In unless plus main, unless it rains, we will go. There are also imperative examples like don't touch unless clean. These examples show how flexible unless can be in different sentence types. Unless and if not both mean the same thing, something will happen only if a condition is not true. For example, you will fail if not you study is the same as you will fail unless you study. However, unless is more natural and often easier to use in English. To remember, unless means if not or except if. It shows a negative condition that must not happen for something else to happen. Do not use double negatives with unless because that creates confusion. Using unless makes sentences clearer and more natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.